Look at the cute little yellow bird this morning. So cute. Very yellow, isn't he? Usually they have a little bit of yellow, but boy, this is a lot of yellow. It's so cute. Wonder if he's waiting for friends or not. Just looking around. Not even eating, not scared or anything. Gonna hang here for a while, I guess. Isn't he cute? There's something hanging on his beak there. He's all alone. He doesn't seem to have a friend with him. Oh, look what's on the other side. Oops, he went back. Got quite a bit of reddish to his belly underneath there. Oh, the blue jay scared him right off. Oh, poor little one. Now he's on the other side where we can't see him. There he is. Alright, well, stay tuned. We'll bring you more.